Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50-day SQL practice challenge, and today it's our day 31. So today we are going to start with our queries that are based on CTE, but here we are going to see nested CTE, means if we have to use multiple CTE in a single query, then how to do it. So let's see our first query for that. And first query is about finding the employees whose total salary is greater than 1 lakh. Okay, so it means here we have to find two things. First one is to find the total salary per employee, right? We have to calculate total salary per employee. And then in second part, we need to basically filter the high earners, means the earners where salary is greater than 1 lakh, correct? So for that, we are going to use multiple CTE. So the first one in this, we are going to calculate what? We are going to calculate total salary. So let's write with total salary, okay, as, so this total salary we can get by selecting our employee ID. After that, we have to apply some function on salary column, correct, as total salary, and from clean salaries table. Now, we need the total salary employee wise, so here we have to use group by employee ID. This is our first part. Now, the second part, by applying the column, we will create one more CTE, and the name of this CTE will be high earners. Okay, as, so you can see that the second time we are not going to use with, just simply put the comma and start creating second CTE, another CTE, okay. So high earner as, now this CTE we will create by selecting the columns from total salary. So select all columns from total salary where, okay, where total salary, okay, where this total salary is greater than 1 lakh. Now, are you able to recognize what we did basically here? So here we have firstly created our first CTE, which is total salary. Then after that, we have created another CTE, and the name of the CTE is high earners. And this CTE we created by using the first CTE, which is total salary. So here we have written select all columns from total salary CTE and applied a filtration, right? Now this is the time to use this CTE. So for that, we will apply select all columns from high earners. I hope it's clear, guys. So now let's run it, and here we can yeah, it's total salary. Sorry guys, there was a mistake. I have written here total salary, but here we have created total SAL, right? So now let's run it again. So this is our result. So as you can see, we have used here nested CTE, okay, the CTE, then one more CTE, and the second CTE we have created by using the first CTE. Okay, now come to our query 2, and in this query it is asking to show employees salary along with department average salary. Now here again we have to find what? We have to find department average firstly, right? And then we have to join it with the employee data. This is it. So here basically the use is of CTE plus join concept, okay? So just do it on your own. Firstly, you have to create the CTE simply like with department average as, then inside the parentheses you have to select the columns which is department ID, and then you have to apply average function on salary column, which will be average salary column. Then simply use your tables, which is cleaned employees and the clean salary table. After that, you have to use group by, right? After creating your CTE, you simply have to use this CTE. So how can you use? You again have to select the columns, which is employee ID, department ID, salary, and the average salary from your clean employees table, and then join it with the clean salaries table, okay? So, and at last you have to join it with the department average table that you have created using the CTE. It's very simple, guys. So just do it on your own, and do let me know in the comment section if you are able to do it or not. Now come to our third query, and it is to find the department with highest salary per department. Now here we have to calculate two things. First one is to calculate the total salary per department. So total salary per department, and then in the second part we have to find the maximum salary, right? Only then we can get the highest salary. So here again we are going to use the concept of CTE, and in this we are going to create the CTE with the name department total, right? How can you create this? So for that you have to select the columns department ID, then you have to apply some function on salary column from your clean employees table and the salary table, and then you have to use here department ID grouping. So use here group by department ID. Okay, and then later on you have to use the CTE. So for the application you simply will write select all from department total, where total salary is equal to the select maximum total salary from department total. Alright, so just do all these 3 queries and submit your work via submission form. See you tomorrow with our day 32. If you face any difficulty, please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you. Alright guys, so take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye.